Class, we will start page number 27 today. Grammar portion. In your previous lecture, I have told you about this portion in interrogative sentences. Clear? An interrogative sentence is one that asks a direct question and always ends with the question mark. Find this question mark. Question. Okay. Now, questions which begins with is, are, was, were usually require a yes or no response. वो वाले questions जो are, is, are, was, were से start होते हैं और जो उन्हें वो क्या रिक्वायर करते हैं रिस्पॉन्स, येस और नो का रिस्पॉन्स जस्ट रिक्वायर करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इज इट रेनिंग आउटसाइड? सो सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस जस्ट रिक्वायर येस और नो रिस्पॉन्स, लाइक येस इट इज रेनिंग आउटसाइड. क्लियर? नाउ यू कैन हियर आल्सो it is in positive sense and it is in negative sense. No, it is not raining outside. This is negative sentence, this is affirmative sentences. Clear? Now, interrogatives and negative sentences. An interrogative sentence can be in the form of negative sentence. Clear? एक interrogative sentence negative sense में भी हो सकता है, यानी कि negative और interrogative दोनों में. For example, is it not, like you can see here, it is interrogative sense and there is also a negative sense. Is it not raining outside? Answer can be either in yes or no. ये आप पर है किसका आंसर आप yes में दें और no में दें according to the situation. Yes, it is raining outside. No, it is not raining outside. Clear? In both senses I have told you. Now come to question number I. Change the following interrogative sentences into affirmative sentences and negative sentences. Clear? Was Jack's money dirty? So it is up to you. No, Jack's money was not dirty. Either you can say yes, Jack's money was dirty. So in this way the remaining parts you will do by yourself. Clear, students? The second is the helper coming today? Are the students going for the football match? Was it not cold yesterday? Were the clothes washed in the machine? Are you not coming with us? So according to the situation you will give the answer of these questions. Okay, question number J. Change the following affirmative sentences into interrogative sentences. Now these are the informative sentences. Now you will change into the interrogative sentences. आपने ने सवालिया questions में change करना है. It is useless to cry over spilled milk. Javed is a dentist. So here first I will change it. Is it useless to cry over spilled milk? Like we will make it interrogative. Clear? Okay, we are ready for the test. They were talking to their friend. He was born in this town. Sana is leaving on Tuesday. Here is an example. You can see. Is it useless to cry over spilled milk? Question mark. I have changed the affirmative sentence into a interrogative sentence. Clear? Is Javed a dentist? Clear? Now students, turn your page. Listening skill activity. Students, open your page number 103 of your book. You can see here a chapter 4, dirty money. First you will read it. Please buy fresh bread from the supermarket. Money budgets money. I keep my money in a book. You should respect the value of money. A penny saved is a penny earned. Then you can do this question when you will read the page number 103. Okay, listen to the sentences very carefully. Tick the words that you hear in the that lines. Clear? Now you will tick it by yourself. Writing skill activity. Students, complete the proverbs and write 2-3 sentences on each of them. These are the incomplete proverb you will consider. I will help you to some extent. So first is, a friend in need is a friend indeed. A friend in need is a friend indeed. I am completing this proverb. It means that a person who helps at a difficult time is a person who you can rely on, really rely on. ऐसा दोस्त जो मुश्किल में काम है, जिस पे आप मुकम्मल भरोसा रखते हो. दोस्त वही जो मुश्किल में काम आए. Clear? You will create 2 or 3 sentences of each of them. Clear? Now next is health is wealth. Health is wealth. तंदुरुस्ती हजार नेमत है. Students, it brings in desired happiness, enjoyment and pleasure in your life if you are healthy. Given things in like fruit, vegetables, these things in life are priceless and can't be purchased with money. There is strong perspective that unless a person is healthy, it's difficult for him to enjoy. Clear? If we are healthy, we can enjoy everything. If we are not healthy, we are unhealthy, so we can't enjoy anything. Clear? Now come to the question, next proverb 3. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Clear? It means that a beautiful object, natural or artificial, चाहे वो natural है चाहे वो artificial है, makes a person happy for a long time, even if its beauty fades or put into different circumstances. चाहे उसकी beauty आप किसी और भी सूरत में डाल दें, किसी और तरीके से उसे पेश करें, लेकिन वो जो है वो आपके अंदर हैप्पीनेस और खुशी लेकर आती है. डिफरेंट सर्कमस्टांसेस, इट इज़ ऑलवेज अ सोर्स ऑफ इंजॉयमेंट, हैप्पीनेस एंड प्लेजर फॉर अ पर्सन और अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. वो किसी की भी ज़िंदगी में खुशी लेके आ सकती है. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट है 4 proverb. A penny saved is a penny earned. A penny saved is a penny earned. A penny saved is a penny earned means that it is as useful to save money that you already have as it is to earn more. जो आपके पास पहले से मौजूद है, ज़्यादा कमाने से बेहतर है कि आप जितने आपके पास हैं उन्हीं पर आप रिलाई करें और अच्छे के लिए कोशिश करें. ठीक है? एग्जाम्पल ऐसे, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू 20 रुपीज़ बट आई वॉन्ट यू टू पुट इट इन द बैंक. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट, लाइफ स्किल्स एंड वैल्यूज. M. Imagine that you have won a prize and got a lot of money. Given below are a few things that you could possibly do with that money. Put a tick against the things that you would like to do. So you will do by yourself. Read it carefully and do it. This is your task of today. You will complete this writing skill activity at home carefully. Thank you.